So, welcome once again, children, to grammar class. Today, I'm again teaching you. I'm going to teach you the same uses of present continuous tense because today my main aim to give some worksheet based on how to use the simple present and present continuous. So there is always a doubt when we are doing this exercise, like omitting and editing. Okay, especially it is for class 9th and 10th. I'm repeating this chapter again because sometimes in your board exam the question says coming up select find out the error. So while you are finding out the error, at that time this things is needed. Okay, so where to use this present continuous tense? This tense can be used to describe actions which are being repeated. ये तुम्हें मैंने ऑलरेडी पढ़ा चुकी है. जो रिपीट होता है उसी को हम लोग actions describes to being repeated, and like which words, signal words I have already shown in my table, last table. Please refer to the table. Always, constantly, forever, these are the words. Some examples I am giving you. You just go through all the example very minutely, otherwise you cannot able to find out the error. Okay, I when I have gone through your exercise what I have given in my classroom. Okay, on that I just found it that many children are having some doubts. Okay, so to clear the doubts I am giving this more material so that you could read it and find out your own clarification. Okay, so here some you can find Jack and Jill are always fighting. So the word here is always. All these words lines I am underlining where it is used the present continuous tense. Now second, shopping online is growing in popularity nowadays. You can see nowadays. Okay, the stock are dropping constantly due to the economies. Okay, today most of people are using. Today is here, so are using. So these are some examples. Another use of this tense is when talking about a planned event. किसी फ्यूचर के लिए हम लोग प्लान कर रहे हैं, कोई प्लानिंग फॉर फ्यूचर होता है. सपोज आई एम सेइंग वी आर लिविंग फॉर द बीच टुमारो मॉर्निंग. हम लोग कल प्लान कर रहे हैं मांडवी बीच जाने के लिए. द किड्स आर अराइविंग एट 6 o'clock. किड्स आर अराइविंग, वो लोग शाम को 6 बजे पहुंच रहे हैं. सो here this tense is also we are using this present continuous tense while we are talking about a planned event in the future. जो event फ्यूचर में होगा उसके बारे में जब हम लोग बात करते हैं उसमें भी हम लोग फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं. यू कैन सी द एग्जांपल्स. नाउ वेयर नॉट, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, वेयर नॉट टू यूज द प्रेजेंट. कहाँ पे ये प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस नहीं लगाते. दिस इज द मेन रीजन व्हाई आई एम रिपीटिंग दिस, बिकॉज by seeing this only you can able to know how and where you will not use this present continuous. कहाँ पे there are certain verbs that cannot be used in the present continuous tense. थोड़ा verbs है जिसपे present continuous use नहीं करते हैं. The following verbs are non continuous. इसको बोलते हैं non continuous. उसका progressive verb नहीं होता है. Communications, agree, promise, surprise, इसमें सब हम लोग क्या प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस यूज नहीं करते. फीलिंग्स लाइक लव, हेट, लाइक, सेंसेस, ऑल और 5 सेंस ऑर्गन्स उसमें भी यूज नहीं करते हैं. थिंकिंग, थिंकिंग प्रोसेस, माय थॉट, बिलीव, नो, अंडरस्टैंड, इन दीज वर्ड्स वी आर आल्सो नॉट यूजिंग दिस present continuous. I have already given it, but I am giving you examples so that you could understand. So now some worksheet I have given you. Answers also is there. So you have to find the worksheet and see the answers. Complete the sentence using the correct form of the present tense. Okay. यहाँ पे हम लोग सिंपल प्रेजेंट भी लगाएंगे, प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू भी लगाएंगे, पर कहाँ पे हम लोग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू लगाएंगे और कहाँ पे सिंपल प्रेजेंट लगाएंगे. ओके, इज दैट क्लियर? It often dash in Ireland. That's why they call it the green island, but it does there at the moment. Okay, so इस पे कैसे होगा? It often क्या होगा यहाँ पे? It will be simple. It often rains in Ireland. That's why they call it the green island. But it is not raining there at the moment. But अभी मोमेंट में यहाँ पे बारिश नहीं हो रहा है. So जो बारिश अभी के मोमेंट में नहीं हो रहा है, so यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या यूज किए? प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू. पर often यूजुअली बारिश होता रहता है. इट ऑफन मतलब यूजुअली होता रहता है, रेन्स. सो कैसे यूज होता है यू कैन सी. सो गो थ्रू ऑल दिस 10. प्लीज डोंट गो थ्रू दिस आंसर की फर्स्ट. Honestly do these questions first, then go through the answer so that you could be able to understand in a better way. Okay, so this is my aim, so that I could repeat it this present continuous tense. Same, I am also going to give you the present perfect tense today, and after that I'll be taking you on one of your exam. Okay, So that's all. Now coming up second worksheet. This is the answer. You can find the answers. All the answers are here. You can find all the answers. So see all the answers. Don't see the answers first. First attempt the questions how to do. Then go through the answer. Is that clear? Now coming up next. That will be past tense को भी आप लोग कैसे use करेंगे. I have given also some worksheet on simple past. Okay. यहाँ पे भी past tense को कैसे use करेंगे. You can go through all these questions. 10 questions then answers it. Answers also here. So go through the answers, but not first. First attempt the questions, then answers. Same. And future also I have given. So go through the future, then do the answers. Is that clear? यहाँ पे one thing is there. Future perfect is also given. But first go to the slide the present perfect and past perfect and future perfect. Then go through this worksheet. Is that clear? I think I am you all now your whatever concepts, whatever doubts, it is clear right now. So thank you very much. Once again I'll be starting with one more tense, that is present perfect continuous, in my next lesson. Okay, thank you very much. So now